How to unlock your Snapchat account even if it's permanently or temporarily locked. Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's video, we are going to show you how to do so. So let's just get right into it. So there are two reasons why your account may be locked. That usually may happen if you have added too many friends or broke minor rules about Snapchat or detected serious violations. Recovery may also not be possible. So what you can do is you can open up your browser and go ahead and search for unlock Snapchat, and there you'll be finding a link. So you can tap on the particular link for unlocking your Snapchat. So you can just go ahead and find that particular link, and once you are there into their browser, you may log in with your Snapchat username and your password. Right here in the space, just go ahead and use your credentials and log in. Or if your account is temporarily locked, you will be seeing an unlock button. You may just go ahead and find this option and tap on it, and your account should be restored. If you do not see the button, you can wait a few hours and try again. Apart from that, you can try contacting Snapchat support and fill out the form explaining your situation. They will review your case and reply by email. And those are the ways you can unlock your Snapchat account, whether it's temporarily or permanently locked. So if this video helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials.